how to back up on Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your important work on Notion. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Notion website. Once you're on the home page, click the Login button at the top right corner. Now in the login window, choose Continue with Google if you want a fast and password-free login. Select the Google account linked to your Notion workspace and you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. Once you're inside your workspace, open the page or project you want to back up. Now, look at the top right corner and click the three dots. This opens up more options for the page. From the drop-down, click on Export. Notion will now prepare your content for download. On the next screen, click the Export button again to confirm and start backing up. The file will download as a zip folder, which you can store on your device or upload to Google Drive or any cloud service for safekeeping. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your Notion workspace. That's all for the video.